Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome back into the channel. Today we're exploring something completely crazy. We've got some very cool, unique content to be going through here today. I introduce you to GFE token. Now, this is extremely cool, guys. It's effectively a social economy. GFE token, you could think of a hybrid of things like Instagram, Telegram, Reddit, Cameo, OnlyFans, Tinder, all the matchmaking sites and things like that. So they're utilizing these very special social smart contracts because they want to form a very powerful platform for all things social media, content creation, online dating and such. So it's in IEO phase at the moment, so it's definitely worth having a look at. Like I say, I've never seen anything like this and there's absolutely no competition. So social smart contracts will be a huge game changer here in the world of crypto. So let's have a little look together, go through everything, because I think it's really cool to look at these brand new projects together before they get big by the next crypto bull run. So we can see here, lovely website, great front end, really easy to explore, and I kind of like what I'm seeing straight off the bat. There's no red flags here, so you can build your Web3 social universe. And just going through the website on the first page, it's saying things like great for entrepreneurs. Imagine a world where you're fairly rewarded for creating content you genuinely love, where your data is secure. Effectively, your data is your own asset, right? Your profile is an asset, which is what makes it a social economy, and ownership is fully decentralized, where you can monetize your time, your audience, and social profile on your own terms without targeted advertising. So picture yourself entering a dynamic social ecosystem that utilizes social smart contracts to fairly and transparently reward all participants. So very nice to see. They've got a beautiful looking white paper which we'll look through very soon, and you can see it's really tying in the Web3 social elements with the metaverse as well. So meet me in the metaverse. It says GFE is designed as a metaverse plug-in, a stepping stone that allows creators to easily move their content and communities onto emerging blockchain-based metaverses. So they're one of the first platforms, if not only, to operate with this with a play-to-earn model within the content creation space. So it's absolutely beautiful. We've got a light paper here as well. We're probably going to check this one out a bit later on in the video. Do stick around because it's very important that we understand exactly what this token is before really making the next step. So we can see here, you can pre-register your profile today, your GFE profile. The GFE is already a growing community, so you can see it's suitable for content creators, gamers, people that want to onboard their business to the GFE platform, or it's a mentor looking to provide services. Really, it's a huge basket. It's very versatile and it caters for all different kinds of eggs. And here it is, the IEO, which is now live, round 1 ending in just 21 days. So this is their first ever tweet. We can see it's a Web3 social platform. OnlyFans meets blockchain, Tinder meets the metaverse, a matchmaking system for gamers, play to earn. It's got all those cool juicy metaverse things in that we know is fully trending right now. And we know Web3 is on the rise, as we can see from Google Trends right here, suggesting that it is absolutely on the rise. So here is the platform, delivering transparency in how you game, socialize, and monetize your content. No more waiting 30, 60, 90 days or more to get paid. So reward your followers with exclusive pay piece content. So pay per piece content, guys. The GFE ecosystem puts the power to build and leverage your digital empire in your hands, designed to be as user-friendly as possible. So there are a variety of social smart contracts that can be created with just a few clicks, and this helps get more money and earnings into your pocket. We can see here, GFE platform is a social first platform. So they're on a mission to basically create this social bridge from Web 2 to Web 3. And we know that the metaverse and Web 3 is a huge trending area in the crypto markets right now. So they're going to target many different sort of niches and target audiences across all geographics too, from virtual and in real life dates to business meetings with the GFE dating platform. So you can monetize your time by locking in dates in advance and getting paid in GFE for messaging, calling, and connecting with users. So basically by messaging, etc., it's going to reduce like bots out there because you're being incentivized to use the platform as well. So it just really enhances the whole legitimacy of the social media side of things itself by utilizing the social smart contracts, which are really cool. Bring your followers and achievements with you. and it's absolutely cool, guys. I really like what I'm seeing here. As you can see here, play to earn on the GFE platform. Nurture your dream audience, collaborate with others, and build an engaged community of loyal followers who fairly support and value your time, content, and creativity. I mean, think about it. Every day we spend hours and hours on these social media sites and we don't gain anything for it. So why not use a platform like this where you actually can monetize and gain some sort of benefit? The GFE platform is a stepping stone from Web 2 to Web 3. We believe the Metaverse is the natural evolution of the internet. I mean, imagine meeting your future wife in the Metaverse in some sort of augmented reality. Wouldn't that be absolutely crazy? So why GFE? Here are some reasons. They're on a mission to create the first user-friendly bridge. They want endless monetization and crowdfunding options for creators, matchmaking service to pair you with like-minded gamers, business dates, and collaborators. And it's a decentralized marketplace for buying and selling services at the same time. So GFE has everything you need to take your online presence to the next level. And I really like the full transparency here. We can see with James Lydiard, the Chief Executive Officer. We also have some other team members here. We've got the Chief Technical Officer. We've got Stephen, Sales Director, Dr. Aaron Alderman, the lead developer as well. So they're fully docs, fully transparent. They've got the token launchpad here, which we'll take a little look at too. I think this is on latoken.com, IEO, so a bit more on that later. But just moving into it, we've got the tokenomics too, so it's always important to check this out. As we see, GFE tokens will be the actual utility token. It's a BEP20 compliant as well, so it's fully functional across the Binance Smart Chain at the moment. I don't know if there'll be more bridging or interoperability or releasing on other blockchains, but right now it looks like it's on the BEP20. So we can see here, they will be released, staked, and traded on a variety of exchanges. I don't know if they're centralized or decentralized just yet, but it's pretty cool. So here we can see reap rewards, lots of money to be earned here. If, for example, if you refer a creator and they use one of the GFE's services, you earn 5% of their monthly revenue distributed from newly minted tokens for that particular referral. So it's pretty neat, right? GFE revenue model, you can see 80% for the creator, 80% of transaction goes immediately to the creator, instant payment, so there's no hold up, you don't have to wait. 20% GFE global platform. GFE keeps 20% fee from transactions. This is for hosting and the platform fees. 5% foundation profit donated to GFE Foundation, which is a not-for-profit organization. And then 5% of referred revenue minted via Trailblazer Fund wallet. So token distribution we can see here. Private sales 5 billion, public sales 40 billion, liquidity DEX 10 billion, development is 15 billion right there, and then you've got 170 billion total supply. So I think, you know, it's still possible to see like a 5 to 10 cents here. I don't know what the actual price is right now, but it'd be worth like doing the maths and checking it out. A lot is in public sale too, 23.5%. So it's quite bullish tokenomics, and I do like seeing this much here for the staking social smart contract side. I think that's very, very important, as well as the liquidity index of 5.9%. So social smart contracts, staking rewards. Each SSC contract earns a small percentage of staking rewards depending on the amount of people contributing to the contract. So this is what's super important. They've got a network map here as well, which explains and details exactly what this is. So a typical two-person contract may attract a simple 4.2% APY, while a viral contract with hundreds or thousands of contributors may increase its APY percentage while trending on the social platform to a maximum of 10%. This incentivizes GFE users to utilize the SSC feature and contribute to trending contracts within the GFE platform to earn more GFE tokens, hence the play to earn elements. So then you can stake and so forth. We can see here GFE current exchange listings IEO, got the LA token, got P2P, B2B, and PancakeSwap as well. So it's literally just under a month. It's going to happen just before Christmas. It could be a good way to kick off the festive seasons. And we see here it's a social platform. It's not very social unless everyone is using it. That's why they created the Trailblazer Fund as well. So have a look at all this, guys. It's really, really important to understand exactly what is happening here. As you see, you've got the contract deployer, goes into dominate receivers, contributors wallet, contract receiver, and then here we've got the share to additional contributors to contract into the contract wallet through to an automated settlement like that. So that's where you get your staking rewards and so forth. So it's really cool to see this full transparency as well. And here is the light paper. So let's just have a little sift through of what we can see. always worth looking at the white papers, guys, before you decide to buy into any project. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. So creators can produce exclusive pay-per-view content, allowing them to set their own price points and be fairly rewarded for their work. So I really love what I see here. It's a lovely, lovely white paper. It's very, very concise and clear in explaining exactly what the platform does. And we can immediately see they're targeting all these different audience, like the gaming sector, the dating sector, social content, the spoil as well. Services, they've got loads of different services, and the GFE Foundation. One thing I do like is their roadmap, Q1 2022 to Q4 2022. You can see they've already done all of this. They're in the pre-IEO sales event now. They've already formed a team. They're doing some networking and events as well, which is very, very important. The GFE token deployed on the BSC smart chain as well, which is very, very important. So that's what's happening. We can see that's already occurred. Q1 to Q2 2023, what we're going to see is the launch GFE platform, MVP, social. We're going to see centralized exchange listings and partnerships. We're going to see fashion partnerships announcements, spoiled stores, major influencer campaign and outreach, utility NFT launch, creator discounts, and one-off skeleton key for social content. Later next year, there'll be a launch GFE full product. This will comprise of the gaming, dating, social, spoiled side. You're going to get a global launch of GFE. So right now, reading this, looking at this, you're extremely early to this project. Q1, Q2, 2024, of course, that's a long time away now, but you're going to see the launch Metaverse layer to GFE platform, major Metaverse partnerships as well, and much, much more. So loving the transparency. These are all of the brainiacs, the masterminds behind the idea of this, spinning those smaller cogs in the background, making sure everything is optimized, and they're already partnered with some big, big names in the industry. Here on the latoken.com, you can also participate in their airdrop. Just 11 days left. Not many GFE tokens left to be distributed either. So this is effectively a crypto airdrop, and you've just got to complete some tasks to get involved. I will leave a link down below in the description and comment section if you want to participate here. And we can see they've already got some good coverage from the PR side of things. So they're getting their name out there. They are Australian based, but they are of course trying to dominate globally at the same time. And yes, again, this is where you can actually buy some tokens. You can get in by depositing some Bitcoin today. You can see November 14 to December 12. It's a very, very short duration where you can buy some GFE tokens. So it's definitely worth taking a look at. To be honest with you guys, I'll leave a link down below for you to check out this particular page. Always do your own research, of course. And just going back to the fully doc side of things, we can see that they do have LinkedIn profiles, so they are fully legitimate. We've got James Lydiard here, we've got Aaron here, and we've also got Sam Tan here. So they are 100% transparent, they are real, they're an operating business, nothing to worry about in my honest opinion here. So when I looked at their Twitter, we can see straight away this is kind of the sort of branding image that they're going for. No matter which metaverse you're in, being able to connect with others is half the experience. So very, very cool. The metaverse is the internet part of a shared virtual reality, as we know. You can see here they're networking, they're doing some events in the real world, they're getting their name out there, they're building that base. So even in a bear market where things aren't fun anymore, and the cash reserves are probably there for this particular token, but they're still focusing on growth, which shows you their mindset is long term, and they are not here to just, steal or get what they can in a bull run and then just completely abandon the project and run away like, a few kids in a boiler room or something. So that's what I do like. Web3 is of course going up, guys. GFE token does look very, very promising. So do check out their website down below, gfetoken.io. I think it looks super, super promising. And I'd love to know your thoughts. Would you get involved with this particular token? There are also, pre-sales is a hot thing right now. We just looked at Tamadoge and some others. We do have the other 4 pre-sales live down below as well. But it's always good to diversify and add more to the crypto pre-sale matrix. So check out GFE token, ladies and gents. It could be the next slingshot to the stratosphere. I have some high hopes for this one, and I've got a good gut feeling that this can launch extremely well. We'll keep an eye on it because, of course, looking at this particular sale, there's only 21 days left to get in nice and early. So do consider it. Have yourself a blessed weekend. I hope this helped, and make sure you check out their light paper to to learn everything about the GFE token. It's really worth putting a bit of time aside to find out more about this wonderful social economy token, which utilizes social smart contracts to benefit you as a user. Anyways, bye for now, guys. Thanks so much for checking out this video. See you soon.